Hi guys, welcome to my video today. I have my weekly Walmart grocery haul to share with you. Super budget friendly as always. You know I love to keep the weekly budget under $200. So this week, just a smidgen over 201, so like pretty much right on the budget. But 201 for all of our food and all of our meals for the week. I wrote down our meal plan, so I will share this with you as well. So I love the Walmart pickup and I love the app. I don't know if I've told you before, but I love the app, and you can kind of look and compare prices, which I love, and you can compare like the sizes and prices. So sometimes I get like more of a bulk size because it's just a better value overall. So I love that about Walmart. And so I really stocked up on some things this week, but still kept it at budget. So that works really well. So I'm going to show you all of the groceries for the week and the meal plan as well, dinners, my meal prep that I'll be prepping. So check back this weekend for my meal prep. And if you have any questions along the way of this video, just leave me a comment. I will always get back to you in the comment section. So just leave a comment there and I'll get back to you. If you enjoy checking out my meal plan, checking out my grocery haul, make sure you click subscribe and click the bell button next to subscribe. I'm sharing these with you every week to show you everything we get. And I got a comment one time that someone said I get too many groceries and that I need to leave groceries for other people at the store. But honestly, that is why I meal plan and I meal prep, so that we have zero food waste throughout the week. So everything that I get, we eat it. It is all accounted for in the meal plan. So I hope that you know I don't just buy a bunch of food and let it go to waste and not allow other people to get food off of the shelves. So I'm gonna show you everything we got for the week. And like I said, if you have any questions at all, just leave me a comment. All right, so here are the groceries for everything for the week. So I'll just start on one end and just show you everything. So if you've been around my channel, you know I get sandwich thins every single week. My husband eats these like they're going out of style, but he has them for breakfast. He does an egg and cheese sandwich. He does chicken sandwiches for lunch that he packs to take to work, and he does peanut butter and jelly, just everything. He is a sandwich thin king, I guess. So last week or 2 weeks ago, I got some Capri Sun apple juice because my kids are in soccer right now. And someone suggested, I'm sorry, I forgot who it was, that I look at this Roaring Waters. So it is 1 total gram of sugar, which that's what I really look for in these drinks, because my kids just do not do well with sugar. They just get so hyper. And so this was a really awesome suggestion. I cannot wait for the kids to try it. So we are in the middle of soccer right now, and we make like little snack bags for each game. The boys are on different teams, so we have twice as many snack bags to make. So Capri Suns are really great for those. I got this big, huge thing of applesauce pouches. These are great for those snack bags as well. And I got some a couple weeks ago, but they don't always have this big 24 pouch box. And the price of this is so good. So we still have applesauce from a couple weeks ago, but I wanted to just stock up because the price is really good on this 24 pouch one. Needed some sandwich bags because now that the boys are back in school, we go through way more baggies. Back here is some fruit snacks for those soccer treat bags. And then again, it's the 40 pouch family pack, so I wanted to get the best of value. Some popsicles, and I got sugar-free. And so we'll give these a try. My kids, they really like little treats. So trying these out. Sugar-free, 18 pack. There's orange, cherry, and grape. So I think I remember having these from years ago. I think that they're really good. So I got those for a treat for the boys. I got this chuck roast. I'm going to do a pot roast one night in the crock pot. Pack of chicken. We go through a pack a week. Grill it up for sandwiches, salads, and everything else. Broccoli, the kids' favorite veggie. So I definitely get a bag of broccoli every week. Bell peppers, onions. This is going to be for, we usually do some burrito bowls that are really good for my husband's lunches. They're a good meal prep thing also. So bell pepper and onion for that. Got avocados. We get avocados every week because we love them. Bananas, apples. These are staples of every week as well. Tons of fruit around here. I got a big thing of creamy peanut butter. My kids love peanut butter sandwiches. They're kind of funny. They do only peanut butter sandwiches. They don't do jelly, which I guess is fine because I think there's lots more sugar in jelly. A big thing of ketchup. I get a lot of the Great Value brand, as you can see. The price, here's another one, is just way better than the name brands. And I think that the taste is just as good as well. So I get a lot of Great Value brand and definitely helps save money. So back here I have the cheese tortellini. Last week I did a Trader Joe's haul and got some cheese tortellini, and my kids absolutely loved it. So they didn't have kind of what I was looking for, but this one we're going to give it a shot and try this Great Value brand cheese tortellini. I got some onion soup mix. This is so good in so many different recipes, but I'm going to use it in my pot roast. I got a couple cans of pumpkin. It is starting to feel like fall a little bit, so just had to grab a couple cans. I really want to do a pumpkin cheesecake, and I also really love pumpkin like protein balls, so I'm gonna use this at some point for that. I got frozen shrimp, so this will be my meal prep for this week. I'm going to do a honey garlic shrimp with broccoli and rice, and I love shrimp and I love honey garlic shrimp, so it'll be super good. Baby carrots for the pot roast and some potatoes for the pot roast. Got some mixed nuts for snack. I got some sliced black olives. Last week I had on my meal plan to do a chicken lasagna, and I forgot the sliced black olives, which I really like those in there. So picked these up this week, and so I don't have the chicken lasagna on my meal plan this week, but I'll be making it very soon because it's really, really good. Some popcorn, and I get this light butter one, Great Value brand. My kids, they are obsessed with popcorn right now. Almond milk, most of the time I get 2 a week. My husband uses it in his protein shakes, so go through that. I got 2 cans of cream of mushroom for the pot roast, and like I said, some more Great Value brand. It's just a fraction of the cost. Our milk for the week, I get the vitamin D whole milk for the kids and I. I have some green tea. I have green tea in the morning, and I add in my collagen. So I was over at my mom's a couple days ago, and I was showing her my nails. I just painted them with this new gel polish that I got, and she couldn't believe that these were my real nails. And I think it's because I use collagen every day. So it's for healthy skin, hair, nails, and joint support. So I love this stuff. I also have it on my Amazon subscribe and save. I'll put a link to this on the Amazon one, but between my husband and I, we go through quite a bit of this. There's 30 servings in here, so that it lasts us about 2 weeks, so we both use it. So, but definitely check this out. I'll put a link to it in the description box, but love it, and my nails are so healthy. Big thing of cheddar cheese, Greek yogurt. My husband puts granola in this, really, really good. Sugar-free syrup. The boys really only like this kind of syrup. If I give them like a regular real syrup, they think it tastes funny. So that's fine with me. I'll do the sugar-free. Got some maple sausage links. These are so good. My kids love them. They have so much awesome flavor. Canadian bacon that I'll be doing for the breakfast meal prep this week. I have 2 packs of English muffins. I'm going to do some freezer breakfast sandwiches with Canadian bacon, egg, and cheese. I got our blueberries for the week. We eat tons of blueberries. And then I got these last week, but I wanted to stock up some more because I put them in our soccer treat bag. But these are just like Go-Gurts, but they're the Great Value brand. So they call them yogurt tubes, and strawberry and blueberry, but they're really good and a fraction of the cost. A big thing of pancake waffle mix, big thing of Cheerios, big thing of oatmeal. My kids, I think breakfast is their favorite meal of the day, which is also my favorite meal of the day. So we always have tons of breakfast stuff. 2 packs of eggs. So we are set for the eggs for the week. So this is everything. And now let me show you the meal plan. Okay, so I just write everything just like on a piece of paper. Sometimes like a little calendar also, but I jot down the days and the meals that we're gonna have, and we don't necessarily have to have everything on that exact day, but it is nice to sometimes. But anyways, this is what we're gonna have. On Monday, I'm gonna do the crock pot pot roast. Tuesday, if you've been around my channel, you know that we do tacos literally every single Tuesday. We have soccer practice, and so we don't get home until a little bit later on Tuesdays, and tacos are so quick and easy. Wednesday, we'll do some barbecue chicken with some veggies. Thursday, we're gonna do leftovers because we have just been having a lot of leftovers lately. The crock pot roast will make a ton, and then we'll have some leftover chicken. So we're gonna make sure we don't waste any leftovers. So Thursday night will be leftover night, and we're really busy on Thursday night. We have back to school night, so definitely something super duper easy. Friday, we're gonna do the cheese tortellini and some salad. Saturday, we're gonna do, I already have a sausage and some other veggies that I already had, but we're gonna do shrimp and sausage sheet pan. And then Sunday, we're gonna do a Blackstone carne asada. There's a little like meat market near our house that does amazing carne asada. So we just buy it there. It's all seasoned and ready to go, and throw it on the Blackstone, and it is delicious. So for the lunch this week, I'm gonna do burrito bowls, and then I'm also gonna do the honey garlic shrimp. So check back for those videos. I'm gonna do some protein balls. And then I didn't write down here, but the breakfast prep that I'm going to do is gonna be, like I mentioned, the Canadian bacon and breakfast sandwich. And then I'm gonna do some overnight oats, and I'm gonna do my mason jar egg omelets. They're really good. And then I might throw in some pancakes too. So come back and check that video out. But this is the meal plan for the week. Sometimes it changes a little bit, but not too often. So that's what we're gonna have. And these are the groceries. So I hope that you enjoyed this week's grocery haul and meal plan. Like I said earlier, make sure you click subscribe to give you some meal planning motivation. Hope that you have a really great day. Leave me a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.